What I love most about this business is at the end of a transaction, my clients walk in with that smile on their face, a warm handshake or a hug, and they say thank you. I've made a difference in their life, and then I get to run into them and hear how they're creating their own story of their time here in Tahoe. There's nothing more rewarding than that. Well, I love all the outdoor activities of Tahoe, the skiing, the rock climbing, the boating, the paddleboarding, all those things. My biggest passion is mountain biking. It's very similar in some regards to real estate sales. In real estate, there are so many moving parts and a lot of challenges that come up, and I am a problem solver. I love problem solving. And when I'm on my mountain bike, I am solving a problem. How am I going to make it down this mountain without crashing? I got into real estate because I love helping people. Because I was doing property management, and the realtors would come to me and say, can you take care of our clients for their new residence? And the feedback kept coming back from these realtors saying, my clients love you. You're obviously very good at this. And so I decided to shift into real estate sales rather than managing the real estate. What I quickly realized is there are a lot of moving parts to the real estate business, especially in a second home market like Tahoe. I can't be everywhere all the time. I needed to form a team. And in 2017, I formed a partnership with Jeff Hamilton, and unfortunately, Jeff passed away in January of 2023. However, his spirit lives on, and his influence on this team carries on, and so we continue on with the Overall Hamilton name in his honor. My family has lived here for over 20 years. My daughter and son were born here in Truckee. We have a phenomenal community. It's just such a magical place to live, and one of the most rewarding things I can do is spend time outdoors with my kids. We have countless times walked into our meetings and said, hey, how fun was that? We got to go skiing with our clients, and how fun that we found them a ski property that they want to own or a lake property. And it is an incredibly rewarding experience, and it's just so fun to see the smiles on their face that we help their dreams come true in Tahoe.